I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account where billing is stored. Use the primary email and complete any multi-factor prompts. Once logged in, navigate to billing or payment settings. This is where addresses are kept. Make sure you have your payment card, the new address, and a photo ID nearby because some services verify identity when you change billing details. Doing this reduces hold times and prevents payment declines, so proceed now and open the billing section. You'll now locate the specific billing profile or card entry and click Edit. Enter the new street, apartment, city, state, and ZIP exactly as they appear on your card statement because mismatches can trigger declines. Once fields are filled, check formatting. Abbreviations, punctuation, and suite numbers matter, and then click Save or Update. After saving, look for a confirmation message or email. This confirms the system accepted the change and prevents unexpected billing errors later. You finish by verifying the update. Run a small authorization or review the next invoice to ensure charges use the new address. If the change didn't stick, clear your browser cache, retry on a different browser or device, and attempt again. Should errors persist, contact customer support and provide your account ID, the exact address you entered, and a screenshot of the failed attempt. That speeds resolution. Make sure to ask them to confirm the change on the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.